welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, I want a damn intro again. Yo, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, how are the damn? Yes, yes. Anyways, guys, I'm so extra because I just done set up my lighting and a bag of things. I'm looking green and something like that. Now subscribe. Hi, I'm so extra, but I'm so happy, guys, you know, because I'm telling you, I've been through some serious stuff. My look shine. Yeah, guys, so I've had a rough like a year and a half, and I've just reached a place where I'm so happy, I'm so confident that I'll be glowing all day, every day we lit. You know, I really wanted to give you guys a story time. I just turn on my camera now. Place a set of nothing. I just wanted to give you guys a story time about a time that I went in an accident, 2 accidents in 1 year, and that incident was one of the incidents that changed the direction of how I operate as a person and how I think, and overall who it has impacted who I am today. And I must say I'm so happy. And there's my baby right there, my sister, and I'm like punky. So guys, punky, which story to start off with? My depression story?
Man, so I think you did do it over or something.
No, I do it right now. I want it to be natural. I want to connect with you guys. Click the subscription button and turn on the bell. Gang.
No, Melica, you can never put up this.
Yes, I'm gonna post it, yo.
You see, you're selfish.
What me selfish with behave?
Let me go. You come and stay, boy, you put up this too.
No, you're so funny, you're so cute. Behave, no? So funny, any about me, go back to bag. I wear that.
Make some bad mood.
Me get tell about wear that. Which story we start off with, the accident or depression one?
No, you say now still a business for YouTube.
The accident one or the depression one?
You missing already, are you?
No.
Psychopath.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna start off with the accident one. The accident one, I went last year. I got into 2 accidents, back to back. You know, it shaped me up. But me, I'll show you God work, and that's why I'm a Christian, guys, and that's why I encourage everybody. I'm not telling you to become a Christian if you don't want to become a Christian, but me know say a God me serve, and me know say me a Christian baby, and I will never change because God has just been so good to me and showing me who He is and what benefits you get when you believe in Him and listen to Him and go by His word. You know, so guys, the first accident was not too bad. The first accident, I was in a small car. It was a note at the stoplight coming from work, and then a truck ran into the back of the car that I was in. I was in the back. Me hurt my back a bit. You don't know, Tamika went in the front, and that accident I froze a bit, and Tamika said, Melica, Urban, come on. She kind of like pulled me out of that accident. That accident happened, but later on down in the year, I went into a serious accident, and that was one of the reasons why I wasn't uploading or going to the gym, because I had to take some time to heal, you know. So before the accident happened, God showed me this clear. I couldn't believe some see it, and after me really understand it. You understand? So before the accident, every minute me I get this vision of being hit in the face, like hit in the face. And me I say, oh Jesus, me all kind of afraid, because me not even tell nobody about it, because me I say, me feel like I want gunshot me I get in my face, like me I say me not do nobody nothing to get gunshot. How comes me I see that flash like every time I get hit in my face, me dream about it sometimes, day in, day out, but I didn't know what it was, you know. So one day Tamika and I was going to the movies, right? But you see, the night before we go to the movies, that would be the Monday night, I don't know, something in my spirit just wake me up, and I just have to wake up and I start praying. I say, God, just please guide and protect me and cover me under your blood, and ray cover my family, them, my friend, them, my people, them, where you know, and a bag of things.
Come in!
Right? And I asked Him for protection, and I just couldn't sleep. Me just did uneasy, and then I dreamt the same dream of getting the impact in my face. Right? After that, now, I woke up in the day, and I woke up the other day. I went to work, and it was the day to go to the movies. Right? So we were leaving work, and then I uttered this prayer at work. I was like, leaving work, I was saying, Lord, you're good, and Tamika said, and your mercy endureth forever. You know, going to work, right? But it's very good to know your intuition. Your intuition is some small little whispers, and you have to be very mindful so that you can hear them. Some little whispers that you hear, you know. Upon going to the place that we're supposed to go to the movies, we reach downtown now, and me I said, Tamika, you know, so I don't feel like going movies no more, like I just don't want to go. And she was like, Melica, no bother with it, because me is a girl, but just left work, I'm going to come home. I'm in a hanky panky on the road and anything there. Left work, I'm going to come home. And she was like, Melica, no bother with it, come on. But in my spirit, I feel like somebody just need to go home. Anyways, we went into a car. The car that we went into, it wasn't, first problem was it wasn't going to the direct route to the movies. And we didn't know that until he turned off halfway our journey. And we were like, driver, where we're going, but we know that he could drive there as well to go to the movies. So we were not that worried, right? So on our way to the movies now, we're on the highway, right? My car is coming. This is a stoplight. See the stoplight up here? See the road here? Stoplight here. So and there's a turn to go to the movies, right? So the car that I was in, traveling up the road to turn to go to the movies, right? When we look, I'm gonna drive up to the stoplight. The light was on yellow. It didn't turn green as yet, right? Or red. It never changed finger yet. So you see the car will come straight down. He was speeding to beat the light before it turned on red because it was on yellow. So he was speeding down, but my driver didn't stop. He was turning. And me up on the side here, you know, right? Missy say the car that is coming is going to impact my car, and that's the side that I was on, you know. And then now I closed my eyes and I braced myself because I knew that I was gonna get hit by the car. And I just brace myself and I just close my eye, and when I get it because I feel it so hot, like I kind of black out a bit, like you know when bomb drop and then in here that's what I heard, and like I kind of did black out. But me did kind of go over upon Tamika a bit, because Tamika said, Melica, come over, because the car was coming so fast it impacted my side, and I know see I got an angel them saved me, because I couldn't nothing else. If I see a next car mash up, the window, where I was sitting at the window, the glass shatter, the door mash up, and a bag of things. So as I said, Tamika, she ever jumped out of the car them before me and a bag of things. So Tamika got out of the car, and then she took me out. She was like, Melica, come out, because I kind of did black out a bit, as me say, because I impact when I get. And then I realized that this is the same impact when I did that vision how much weeks now I couldn't tell what it was, because I thought it was a gunshot and thing. Anyways, Tamika pulled me out of the car and said, Melica, come out, let me check you. Come out, let me check you, like if you're a bleed or nothing. So Tamika take me out now, I come out. Tamika and it swell up big, but she when I look on me, because on my side get a leak and me get the biggest impact. So I got hit under my ribs, under my rib area, under my breast. And when she took me out of the car and she checked my back, she said, Lord Jesus, Melica, you bleed. Because I wasn't planning to cry, because I was so, like, me I say me a real Jonathan, I'm not ball. So because Lord Jesus, Melica, your back cut up and you bleed. I said, Lord Jesus, me a bleed. We start bawling, so you know, start crying. Missy say, my clothes it tear up and a lot of splinters cut up my back and thing. So I was kind of scared when I kind of shut down. But when I look upon Tamika, Missy say, Tamika hand swell up big, or 5 finger them, swell up big. And me I say, Lord Jesus, upon Tamika, I know because Tamika upon the ground a ball and me a ball now. My friends, we had some friends waiting on us at the movies. That's why I have to run joke. I always run joke. So before I reach the movies, I call them and say, yo, you know, so me have an emergency. I'm nah, but I come. That I tell them at first, right? And I say, Melica, no matter with the foolishness, X, Y, and Z. Anyways, I did call him back after the accident and he said, me see no one accident, you know, on the highway, like, you guys have to come. They never believed me. They were like, Melica, stop your ramping. You ramp too much, because I ever played them really. And then I hanged up because I was getting so frustrated because they were not believing me, because me I cry wolf for much time and I joke me did I make, and then call back and me I say, a real thing, you know, me meeting a one accident and me up on the highway and my back cut up and my ribs are pain me, my foot did swell up big because my left leg did messed up as well. And And he said, alright, yeah, come. And then come they find out believe. So point of just a point to take, like, don't cry wolf all the time if you don't mean it. Because your friend them not gonna believe you. So after that, I got a bit upset at the police officer and the person that was driving the other car and the person that was driving the car that I was in, because they were not paying attention to us or trying to get us to the hospital or anything like that. I got so frustrated. And me the girl that normally get that. I say I get that and say, sir, you need to tell me what to do so I know what to go, and I need to get the insurance so I can come back to you and claim what I need to claim. Right? We didn't leave until the police officer come. And the police officer come with the foolishness about what happened here. Mr. Sir, I don't need to know, I need to go to the hospital, so I need to tell me what I need to do so I can go. You know? I got so upset. Then I have a private hospital that I go to. It's a 24-hour doctor. I never did I go to hospital because hospital now go and go that a Cornwall Regional. And Mr. Tamika, you know, so we have to go walk by hospital. So I take up my bag and I pull out my clothes, my back did a bleed, and my foot did swell up and I did in a pain and stuff, and we walked by hospital. It wasn't far, it wasn't that far, but we walked to the hospital and I got looked at, but I got an injection. We got some time off from work. My rib, at first it was my back that was hurting me, but after, like in December, so I realized that my ribs are hurt me, and then that turned into my breast start to hurt, my breast swell up. Like I was so afraid because they said me have to go do x-ray for my breast, because I went to multiple doctors because I was feeling the pain so much after all the medication and stuff. So when I'm a doctor, then I'm going to go to my doctor, check my breast, because I started to feel a lump in my breast, because I was saying that was like the blood clot or something in my breast because of the impact that I got from the hit and stuff. So I go to my doctor check me and I say, Melica, there's a lump in your breast, you know. I was so shaken up about it. But I never really afraid about it, because I say, God, I'm not listening to nothing. I don't know. I say, God, I don't know. So I say, and thing. So I went to the doctor and I got something to do an ultrasound. I did the ultrasound, waiting on the results to come back was very, very, it did shake me up a bag away. And I got back the results and they were not what I thought it was. And I just want to just thank God for, like, you know, being there for me and spared my life so that I can tell this story. But God tried to speak to me in so many different ways, and I went beyond my intuition. You understand? The first thing, the dream of me I get from when. Second thing, the little intuition that I had about not wanting to go to the movies, I ignore that. And it just goes to show that you have to listen to your intuition. You have to be in contact with yourself and know what you feel and live up to that. You understand? Also, just being prepared for anything that can happen and just being calm and stuff like that. Just being calm and dealing with the situation at face value and not thinking more than what it is. It could have been worse, and that accident changed how I view my day-to-day life. Every day I'm grateful because I could have died. I believe that I could have died based on the type of accident that I was in. And I couldn't get to go to the gym for 4 months. And now I'm not feeling it any more pain. I'm healthy, I'm good, and I'm sharing my story time with you, the time I got into 2 accidents in a year. And I just want to say thank you for stopping by my channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you. Comment videos you want me and Punky to do, because it's summertime now and we have a lot of free time and we want to chill it and a bag of things. So remember to turn on the bell and bathing. So I see the subscription bell. There's a bell beside the subscription button. Turn on it, because if you don't turn on it, you're not going to see when I upload. And a lot of people have a problem with that. So you'll think that I'm not uploading, which I am uploading, but you're just not getting notified because YouTube have a problem. You understand? So thank you guys, and I'm so happy I'm getting to do my story time and bag of things. Stephanie, you keep on missing and a bag of things. So Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Later.